Summers are here, and if you are searching for a good BB cream or CC cream for yourself, then your search is going to end in this video, because I will be sharing my personal favorite after trying so many of the brands and the shades and the formulations. So finally I got one perfect BB cream for myself which goes perfectly on my skin, and this is a formulation which will perfectly suit your skin as well, no matter what skin type you have. So if you really want to know which brand it is and everything about this product, stay tuned with the video, because this is the video which you cannot miss out if you are someone who really don't like too much of heavy makeup on yourself, especially in summers, and you want a little bit of even toned skin while going for your work or for any of your outings as well. So stay tuned with the video till the end. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanya Surana. I'm a professional makeup artist and an educator, a lifestyle makeover and skin consultant as well. In this video, as I already told you, that I will be sharing my personal favorite recently, the BB cream which I will be using this summer, and I definitely wanted to share this with you guys, because why I will only have the fun of such beautiful products when I can share with you guys, and I can receive so much of comments from your side as well about your experience with the product. So let's get started with the product, and I will be reviewing everything about this product so that you get a better clarity and understanding about the product and its usage. So the product which has really impressed me in terms of a BB cream is from one of my favorite brands from the drugstore brands, is the Color Bar. So this Color Bar BB Beauty Balm is something which I recently tried, which I have never tried before, and it was different. Okay, so I have tried a lot of other brands as well in terms of BB cream and CC creams, but the quality and the texture was not exactly matching my requirement which I was looking for. But finally I found what I was looking for, and I'm so happy to share this with you guys. So the outer packaging of this product is like this, which is a nice metallic packaging, which is fine. Like you won't be using this too much, so I will not exaggerate on this too much. But the inner packaging, the tube is very compact, very, like, the weight is also not too much because of the product quantity, and at the same time I like the packaging. Okay, it's honestly, it's good and it's easy to use. That's more important for me, that how easy it is to use, and it's quite easy. It's a normal tube packaging which is quite comfortable to use. The second thing about the product is the formulation. Okay, so if you guys have been a part of my channel and have been actually seeing my videos since long, you must be knowing that as a cosmetologist and aromatherapist, I know how the cosmetics and the skincare and other products are made. So for me, the formulation is something which really matters a lot, because if the formulation is not nice, you will not enjoy the product on your skin. So for me, and I guess for most of you, the formulation is very important. And whenever I review a product, I make sure that I briefly describe the formulation, which is required basically for two reasons. First, you will get an understanding how you will feel the product on your body, because these all products are meant to be applied on your body, right? So how it is feeling, that is really important. The second thing is, you will also know that what kind of formulation is worked in what way, what is the usage and how you can use it to actually get the exact finish which you are looking for. Because if you are not using a product in a certain way, maybe the product is nice, but you'll not get the result, and you may end up saying that this product is not that great or something like that. Okay, this might be one of the reason if you're not liking any of the products. Okay, so if I talk about the formulation, I really loved the formulation, and the formulation was the one of the reason, or you may say that there were two basic main reasons behind me buying this product, but one of them was definitely the formulation. Because when I tried other brands, mostly you must have seen that they crumble over, they just, the finish is not comfortable when you apply, and mostly people use their fingers to blend the BB and CC cream, because for sponges and all these products, you know, it's brushes, sponges, they are not meant to be used when it comes to the application of a BB cream. A hand is the best way to blend it into your skin and make it, you know, seep it into your skin and look really flawless. So I really loved the formulation, because when I applied the formulation, it was so smooth, it was so nicely milled, that, you know, milled in the sense, you know, it's the mixing of the product, the pigment and the product and all of that ingredients, it has been done very nicely. And the whatever the formulation is, it is not feeling like very what I'll say, very cracked or very textured, or, you know, once you apply, mostly there are a lot of brands, when you apply, they form a kind of a very textury layer kind of on your skin, which is not there in this product. Okay, so the formulation was definitely the reason why I bought it, because when I tested the product first on my hands and when I blended it, I was impressed because of the formulation. And when I tried it on my face, I found my second reason to get impressed with this product, and that was the coverage. So most of the BBCC creams out there, they might have a good formulation or something like that, but the coverage is not nice. I know that coverage is not something which we expect from a BBCC cream, because they are not meant to actually give you a coverage. But you know what, other BB cream, CC creams, they have tint, but that doesn't make any difference, you know, very negligible difference. They don't cover a little bit also, you know, give that coverage on your skin. But with this, because I like little bit of coverage, this is like perfect, you know, it's giving me the perfect coverage which I'm looking for. It's not medium coverage, it's not high coverage, it is not even light coverage. Okay, it's below light, but still it is just perfect. Like, if I can put that into words, it's just perfect. It gives you that coverage, and I guess this is the only brand which I came across which has a really good coverage in this particular pricing as well, because all other products and other brands, I didn't find that coverage. And mostly the kind of tint they were having is towards, you know, it will make your skin look little whiter. Okay, and this particular, all the 3 shades, so basically they come in 3 shade variation. All the 3 shades, whenever you are using a particular shade for your skin tone, it just blends perfectly, and it has a yellow undertone and neutral to yellow undertone, which is very good for Indian skin tone. It will never make you feel very white unless you are using the wrong shade for yourself. And at the same time, you know, there are brands which offer more than 3 shades, like 5 shades, 6 shades, 9 shades and all that. But you know what, if the formulation is not nice, I'm not going to buy, even the brand is offering a very good shade range. So for me, though it was having just 3 shades in their range, first I was a little skeptical that how I'll be suggesting my viewers, because only 3 shades are not good enough to suggest someone. And then when I tried all the 3 shades, I was impressed. I was like, okay, these 3 shades are good enough. Okay, you don't require, until unless your shade is very, very different, which is a very rare case thing, these 3 shades are good enough, or else you can just go to the counter, try it out and know whether the brand or the shades suit you or not. So before I move ahead and explain you that which shade is good for which skin tone, so that it becomes easier for you to buy, I would also like to highlight one special point about this product which I really liked. Is this is a product which is suitable for all skin type. Okay, if you have oily skin, see, I'll tell you honestly, I also have a very oily skin, and I stay in Kolkata where the temperature is like too much, and the humidity is again, you know, just exaggerates the summer vibe a lot. So I can tell you one thing, oily skin, it will secrete oil. Okay, in summers, because your body temperature gets a lot of heated, there are a lot of ways to handle that which I'll not talk in this video. But if you're having that, there is a proper solution to take care of that. Only product, you know, I know people buy product, you know, I have oily skin, so give me something which is too mattifying. Again, when something is very too mattifying, it really don't blends well on your skin, and you will not like the feel and texture of the thing. So I'll just tell you, don't be very specific in terms of that, and this particular product is perfect for any skin type. If you have extremely oily skin, I can tell you one tip, that after using this, you can take a blotting tissue, which is like a blotting paper, which looks like this, I bought this from Yusupso, Miniso, these kind of stores, they have this. So what you have to do is, these comes like these sheets, which I already have a video you can check out. I'll link there in the description box below, so you can check out how to use it. So after applying this, you can just dab this little bit on the areas wherever you feel oily, and that oil part will be taken care of, and you will have a matte face. Okay, so now I will be suggesting you the shades, and after this you can easily figure it out that which shade will be working for you. And if you want more clarity, I will suggest you to go to a physical store and try out the shade to become more assured about it. So I have two shades over here. One of them is actually with my sister, so I don't have right now, and I just forgot to take that from her. So the first shade is White Light, which is for people who are extremely fair to fair. Okay, so that will work perfectly for them. Now the second shade is Vanilla Creme. So this is something which I tried, which I thought that will go on my skin, but it made my skin look little darker. So for me also, the White Light shade will work perfectly, or maybe a mix of White Light and Vanilla Creme can work for me. Mostly people who fall between the category of a medium fair to that medium fair kind of range, for them the second shade is perfect. The third shade, which is Honey Glaze, and that is really good for people who have warmer skin tones, and I have tried on one of my friends that shade, and I was surprised that a BB cream was perfectly suiting her in such a warmer shade. And yeah, I was really impressed. They have only 3 shades, but yes, every shade is thoughtfully created, and it will definitely cover the Indian skin tone range. Out of this 3, 1 is definitely for you. Okay, so this was all about this shade suggestion and recommendation. Now I'll be showing you the swatch, which I guess you were waiting for. So as you know that I don't have the lighter shade, but definitely I can tell you that is good for the fair skin tone people, and that is surprisingly going well for me as well, and that I really liked. And if somebody is extremely fair, it might look little dark on them, okay, but otherwise it's just perfect. Okay, now I'll be showing you this shade number 2, which I thought is good for me, but it's little darker on me, little bit. So I'll be showing you that. So I took a little bit amount on my hands, and I will be blending this on camera. Can you see the texture is so smooth that there is nothing, it's like, it's very well done formulation, and it just blends properly, and there is no white traces on my skin, nothing. If you can see, it's not drying matte, but it turns matte. After you blend it, it turns matte. Now on the other hand, I will be showing you another shade, which is really good for people who have warmer skin tones. So this is the shade, just a second. So this is the shade, and I will be blending it for you. So of course this will look dark on me, but this will definitely go, and there is no white cast at all. It's the undertone, they have yellow undertones in the formulation, and if you can see, you can also see that there is yellow there is no whiteness at all, and it blends really well. Though it is not my skin tone, still if you can see, it has actually went inside and just blended with my skin. It's not looking that it's something like a dark patch on my skin. Wow, that's really great. It has really gone inside. So if the camera is able to capture, this one is the second number shade, this one is the darker shade. So I really hope that this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, definitely you can subscribe to my channel, because I'll be bringing such things more in the future, and you can show your love and your support by liking this video as well, and you can follow me on my Instagram handle. So this is my Instagram handle where I share a lot of makeup related stuff and the work I do, the bridal makeup and the makeup looks and all of that. And if you want me to review any particular product, and if you have any suggestions for any kind of videos, you can definitely mention that in the comment section below. I would love to create a video on that as well. So for this video, this was all about it, and I really hope that you try it out. And if you try out this product, let me know your experience in the comment section below, so that I can know that how many people have tried and what was your experience. So this was all about this video. I'll see you guys in the next video soon.